everyone, Channel E is back.
It's nearly the end of summer. I wonder what everyone's summer vacation was like.
I don't know you, but I spent a lot of time staying in the air-conditioned room because the heat outside is unbelievable.
I and the country have had a few food trips around the neighborhood, doing researches on delicious food.
Really? Since you mentioned about food, Channel E correspondent Owen was out working on a gourmet report this morning, and he's brought in some interesting news for us.
Let's take a look at this exclusive news. Over to you, Owen.
Prince Jiluwawa was accompanied by his bodyguards and a tribal wizard on a private mission of searching local delicacies around Taiwan. A real prince. Oh my, what an unusual visitor.
Our schedule is tight, but we don't want to miss any good food here. Would you be kind enough to recommend us some places to go?
No problem. We just ran a survey on local food in清水and have retrieved 275 valid questionnaires from the students.
Here's our leaderboard. The top 10 recommended dining spots are...
Number 10, Harbin Bistro.
Number 9,清水Beef Noodles.
Number 8, Wonton Steamed Rice Pudding.
Number 7, Tongji's Bean Curd.
Number 6, Jai Turkey Rice.
Here comes the top 5 list. Number 5, Baobang Yuji Dumpling.
Number 4, Wuzhang Restaurant.
Number 3, Achai Steamed Rice Pudding, a popular snack among locals and tourists.
Next, the Grandma's Tapioca Pearl. A good choice of dessert, especially in summertime.
And that is students' most favorite dining spot at清水, the Bagel Meat Brook.
Baobang Yuji is a nationwide restaurant specializing in dumplings. One of their branches located on Zhongshan Road is welcomed by students and families for its cheap, delicious shallow fried dumplings. They have developed 5 flavors of the fried dumplings: pork, leek, Korean kimchi, curry, and vegetable. Each hot and crispy dumpling costs only 4 to 5 NT dollars. There are also corn soup, squid ball soup, soybean milk, and several types of appetizers at your choice.
Wuzhang Restaurant specializes in northern Chinese dim sum and noodles dishes. It sits on清水Outdoor Road and is a nice and clean restaurant with air conditioners. The choice of food here is fantastic, including instant-style beef burritos, meat pie, fried leg pie, the popular spring onion pancake, beef noodles, melted porridge, and so on. Their delicious homemade pastry is super solid and chewy, and is freshly made every day.
Who founded the restaurant?
It was founded in 1989.
How do you choose your food ingredients?
We choose fresh pork shoulder and Australian beef. We buy fresh frozen beef from Australia.
What are the key elements of cooking?
We use plain flour. The pastry is freshly made every day. The dipping sauce in our restaurant is sweet flour paste, made by flour paste, brown sugar, and lard. It tastes very special. You can't find it outside. We have been adjusting the sauce for many years in order to create the most accepted flavor for everyone.
What is your best seller?
Our specialty noodle is quite popular among customers. The braised pork we make is really different from what other restaurants make. It's full of flavor.
The steamed rice pudding, being one of the most famous local specialties in Qingshui, has jumped up the leaderboard to take third place without letting its pants down. Outside rice pudding has obtained the reputation for over a few decades. How do they make such a wonderful savory snack? First, the copper cups are filled with glutinous rice and braised pork, steamed to give the rice a perfect softness, and then topped with special sauce and coriander leaves before coming down to your table. It's simply chewy and irresistible. Rimo's Tapioca Pearl is a small roadside stall in front of the famous Qingshui Ziyuan Temple. As you can see, there is always a long line in front of the stand. A big bowl of shaved ice topped with crystal tapioca pearls, green beans, lasagna, jelly, and their secret weapon, plum pineapple sauce, becomes a nice cold treat in summertime. Meat broth is one of the representative traditional cuisine in Taiwan. Owning a large fan base, meat broth in every different region has its own distinct taste, but generally, lean pork, fish paste, and fat pork are the three basic ingredients. Qingshui Beigong meat broth, located on Albon Road, is very popular among students, selling several local dishes like meat broth noodles, glutinous rice dumplings, braised pork rice, and cold noodles. Simple and yet delicious.
The restaurant.
My wife and I founded the restaurant.
How do you choose your food ingredients?
我们的食材都是
We purchase fresh lean pork from the market and only use good quality food ingredients.
Any secret recipe of making meat broth?
The meat broth recipe was passed down from my wife's grandmother. But again, the taste of the food is decided by its ingredients.
What are the key elements of cooking?
You need to find out the right proportion of the food ingredients to maintain the quality of your food products.
What is your best seller?
Meat broth rice and meat broth noodles are the most popular dishes in our restaurant.
Thank you, Owen, for bringing us such interesting news.
Those local dishes look super tasty. Gourmet temptation is everywhere.
Indeed, I hope you are not on a diet.
That was a wonderful gourmet tutorial. Wouldn't it make you want to go to Qingshui right away?
The answer is definitely yes. Next time when you travel through Qingshui, be sure to try these fine dishes. Thank you for tuning into Channel E. See you in September!